Hello. My name is Anna. I am 12 years old. I live in a small town with my family. We are a happy family. I want to tell you about my family, my life, and what I like to do. I have a small family. There are 4 people in my family: my father, my mother, my little brother, and me. My father is a tall man. He works in an office. He is very kind and always helps me with my homework. Sometimes, he is busy with his work, but he always has time to talk to me. We play games together in the evening. My father likes to play chess, and I am learning how to play too. My mother is a kind woman. She is a teacher. She teaches math at a school. I love my mother very much. She cooks delicious food for us. Every Sunday, she bakes a cake, and we eat it together. My mother also helps me with my homework when my father is busy. She is very good at explaining things. I also have a little brother. His name is Mark. He is 6 years old. Mark likes to play with his toys. He also likes to run around the house and make noise. Sometimes, it is hard to study when Mark is playing, but I love him a lot. He is very funny and makes me laugh all the time. We live in a small house. Our house has 3 bedrooms, 1 kitchen, 1 living room, and 2 bathrooms. My bedroom is my favorite place. It has a big window, and I can see the garden from my window. I have a bed, a desk, and a bookshelf in my room. I love reading books, so my bookshelf is very full. In the garden, we have many flowers. My mother loves to plant flowers. There are red roses, yellow sunflowers, and purple lavender. I like to sit in the garden and read my books. It is very quiet and peaceful. I go to a school that is close to my house. I walk to school every day with my best friend, Emma. We are in the same class. Our teacher's name is Mr. John. He is very nice and funny. I like my school because I can learn new things every day. I love learning. My favorite subject is English. I like reading English books and writing stories. My teacher says I am good at writing. Sometimes, I write stories about my family or my friends. One day, I want to write a book. That is my dream. I also like math and science. In math, I like solving problems. It feels good when I find the right answer. In science, we learn about the world and how things work. Last week, we learned about plants and how they grow. It was very interesting. I have many hobbies. I like to read, swim, play sports, and meet new people. I am a very active girl, and I like to do many things. First, I love reading books. I read every day. I like adventure books and stories about animals. My favorite book is about a girl who travels to many countries and meets new friends. I hope I can travel like her one day. Reading helps me learn new words, and it makes me happy. Second, I love swimming. Every Saturday, my father takes me to the swimming pool. I swim for 1 hour. I like swimming because it is fun, and it helps me stay healthy. I am not very fast, but I am getting better every week. My father says I will be a great swimmer if I keep practicing. Third, I enjoy playing sports. At school, we have a big playground. During break time, I play soccer with my friends. Sometimes, we also play basketball or volleyball. I like soccer the most because I can run fast. Playing sports makes me feel strong and happy. I also like to meet new people. I am not shy, and I like talking to new friends. When I meet someone new, I always ask them about their hobbies. I think it is interesting to learn about other people. At school, we have a new student in our class. Her name is Maria. She came from another town, and she didn't know many people. I talked to her, and now we are friends. We play together during break time. I like to keep my day organized. I think it is important to do everything on time. I wake up at 7 o'clock in the morning. I brush my teeth and wash my face. Then, I eat breakfast with my family. My mother makes eggs, bread, and juice for breakfast. After breakfast, I go to school. School starts at 8 o'clock. I have many classes during the day. I have English, math, science, history, and sports. At 12 o'clock, we have lunch. After lunch, we have more classes. School finishes at 3 o'clock in the afternoon. When I come home, I do my homework. I always do my homework before playing. My father says it is important to finish homework on time. After I finish my homework, I go outside to play with my brother. Sometimes, we play soccer in the garden. Sometimes, we go to the park with my mother. In the evening, we eat dinner together. After dinner, I read a book or watch TV with my family. I go to bed at 9 o'clock. I always try to sleep early because I want to wake up with energy. I love my life because I have a wonderful family and many good friends. I also have many things that I enjoy doing. I feel happy when I read books, swim, play sports, and meet new people. I also love learning new things at school. Every day is full of fun and learning for me. I am lucky to have a family that supports me. My mother and father always help me when I need them. They also teach me good things, like working hard and being kind to others. My little brother, Mark, makes my life fun with his jokes and games. We laugh a lot together. In the future, I want to do many things. I want to write a book, travel to other countries, and meet people from all over the world. I also want to learn many new things in school. I know that if I work hard and stay positive, I can do all of these things. I have big dreams. I want to become a writer when I grow up. I want to write books for children. I want to write stories that are full of adventure and fun. I also want to help other children learn to read and write. Another dream I have is to visit other countries. I want to see the world. I want to see the big cities, the oceans, and the mountains. I also want to meet new people and make friends from different places. I think it would be fun to learn about other cultures and try new foods. Finally, I want to be happy and healthy. I want to continue swimming and playing sports. I want to stay strong and feel good every day. I also want to keep learning. I believe that learning new things helps us grow. That is my story. I am Anna, a 12-year-old girl who loves her family, her friends, and her life. I like to read, swim, play sports, meet new people, and learn at school. I have big dreams, and I know I can reach them if I work hard. My family always tells me to believe in myself, and I do. I hope you liked my story. Thank you for listening.